The question is A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days. So A plus B are doing work in 15 days. B and C together can do in 12 days. So here B and C are doing together the same work in 12 days. Now the question says, after A has been working for 5 days, B for 8 days, C comes up and finishes it alone in 13 days. It means that A's 5 days work, okay, plus B's 8 days work plus C's 13 days work adds up to 1 is equal to 1. Why? Because work is 1 here, okay, and that work is completed when A is doing for 5 days, B is then doing for 8 days, and then C is doing the same work, the remaining work in 13 days. Okay, so they together are completing the work, so they are doing one work, right? Now from here take the common factor and get the answer. Let me tell you how. Here A plus B's 5 days work, right? You have taken this plus B's 3 days work plus C's 13 days work is equivalent to 1, right? Now since A and B are completing the work in 15 days, so in 5 days they will do 5 over 15 work, right? Plus, now if you take the common here, B's 3 days work and C's 3-day work, right? B's 3-day work and C's 3-day work, and together they are completing the work in 12 days. So in 3 days they will complete the work, will be the amount of work completed by them in 3 days will be 3 by 12. Since in 12 days they are completing the whole work together, B and C together are completing the whole work in 12 days. So in 3 days they will do 3 by 12 of the work plus C's 10 days work, right? Because 3 days we have already taken common with B, which is equivalent to 1. Or you can say that C's 10 days work is equal to, this is 1 over 3, this is 1 over 4. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 is 7 by 12. 1 minus 7 by 12 is 5 by 12. Right? So C's 10 days work is 5 by 12. Or you can rewrite this equation as 5/12 of the work is equal to C's 10 days work. So in short, that C in 10 days C is completing, C alone is completing 5/12 of the work, right? So one work will be completed by C alone will be 12 by 5 into 10, which is equal to 24 days. So C alone is completing the work in 24 days. And in the question also they are asking how many days can C do the whole work. So option 3 is the correct answer to this question.